So how do you like the new Flux 2 Klein model? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I just want to quickly share a workflow update. I've added multiple edit groups as well as a text-to-image group. I also included 3 samplers for latent detailing to improve overall quality and refinement. Now let's do an A/B comparison, looking at the image with and without the latent detailer. We can see that the image now has more detail, similar to what we achieved with Z image. It brings out finer details and boosts overall realism. Now let's compare the woman and the wolf. Notice the shoe area, it has more sharpness and texture. Also look at the wolf's fur. The hair detail is much more defined. This is why I always use latent upscaling and detailing. When the base image is already good, this step makes it even more beautiful. Now let's compare some images with Z image. I'm using the exact same prompt for both models. What do you think? In my opinion, Flux 2 Klein is excellent for image editing, while Z image tends to look more cinematic. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.